So here we are live. Okay, let us start. Welcome all. Today is 49th edition of this talk. Okay, so we are one to hit half century. That is 50 next week. Okay, am I audible well?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think Ashagatan, you have to unmute. You have to unmute. Okay. Yeah. So the artist today, I don't want to use the word senior artist because just now I shouldn't use the word senior artist. Ashagatan told I am very young at heart, so young at heart and even brain and hands in the field. Okay, so we always like. Your voice is breaking. Okay, so we always. Yeah, your voice is breaking. So we always love Harshogatan because he's very witty. He's one of the most wittiest artists I have ever met. You know, that wit you can even see in his works also, but you have to pay some attention to that to not that. So Ashogatan, he did his BFA from the finance college in Mavelikara, and then he went on to do his masters from Shantiniketan. And he had received Kerala Lalitakala Academy Award for 3 times, and then get a few other recognitions like Jackson and Pritzker Award. And he's in the circuit maybe over 2.5 decades, has participated in many major shows and exhibited in many prestigious galleries and other places. So we are good friends, and myself, Ashogatan and Sujit, we used to have pretty good conversations about NEET talks. Also, he also is somebody who staunchly supports this activity. So we wholeheartedly welcome Ashok Kumar Gopalan to this session of NEET talks, and we are happy that all others who have joined today, and then people like Ashil who are on the road and still joining NEET talks. Actually, that keeps us inspiring. And those people, those artists, art enthusiasts who are watching this show in the Facebook, we are thankful to them too. Ashok, over to you.
Thank you, Satish. It is being honor to conduct a presentation through this virtual media of Nirta. I would like to thank Sri Satish, dear Sujit, and Nirta whole team for giving an opportunity in this presentation. I had experienced the excellent organization of Nirta. One village is united to promote the art movement through Nirta. I hope this is a great sign of contemporary art. It is my first presentation about my work in front of a public space. Dear Sadish, please you can start the presentation. Okay, next. It was in this house that I was born, raised, and learned to dream. So I have so much attachment and sentiments in this house. I am not coming from an orthodox art family. I became a painter due to my excessive desire. I learned life from this house, which was safe and love, because my mother and father were very ordinary people. They didn't know about art profession. Also, my village people also didn't know art is one of the professions. Whenever I went out there to draw the views of my village, the villagers thought that it was just child's play. They always teased me and seen as an irresponsible person. They used to advise me to gain any other job like welding, electrical and plumbing work, etc. That's because I studied industrial technical education from ITI. I do my art from this environment. Next. I have been practicing my art for the past 26 years and continue to exist and live as an artist in my society. Art provides me with the vital spirits of life sustenance. My art life started with drawing and painting. The creative artist in me is the product of my experience in my family background. My childhood was very miserable and traumatic. I did a lot of works in order to study fine arts. My brief is passion for art through perseverance and struggle. Finally, I joined Mavelikira Raja Ravivarma College of Fine Arts and started my artist career. My primary objective is to interact with my audience on contemporary reality through my works. The unique sign in my works renders me the confidence and inspiration to pursue it in all vigor and vitality. This is my first watercolor on paper. It was in 1993. This is first charcoal drawing in my life. This also I have done in Mavelikira College. This also my first acrylic color on paper. This work actually based on the sculpture department studio of Vivekananda College. I just went there and draw this, paint this painting.
Is it? Yes. Oil. Is it? What is the medium?
Acrylic on acrylic on paper,
Oh.
handmade papers. Actually, this year 94,
Oh.
1994.
Okay.
I just introduced the which type medium started. That is why I just introduced first works.
Okay.
This is my first oil painting. The model name is Anthony. Oil painting on paper, oil sketching paper. First oil painting. This painting first oil color on canvas. My passion was to convey metaphysical motifs through picture space, but I never tried to do metaphor images. This also 1998 when I was in final year students in Mavelikira. Oil on canvas. Etching. Very small works.
Okay.
This work started from the Shantiniketan. When I went Shantiniketan, I had applied for post-graduation for painting. But I changed it from painting to graphic art because I saw the graphic studio at Kalabhavan. It was amazing and thought I could use the new medium. It was Giant Graphic Studio. I haven't seen before that, so I decided to use this opportunity. My decision was very challengeable because I had never seen which was doing the lithograph, indaglio, Japanese wood etching, holograph, and cut before joining the Kalabavan. I thought that painting can be done outside at any time. So I choose it was one of the reason to study printmaking. So I choose the printmaking and joined the Kalabavan in Shantiniketan. Uh, this work is lithograph. So, first lithograph in Shantiniketan. Uh, uh, this work went to for Japan. This also this series work is lithograph, uh, color lithograph on paper. These images are at that time some I used to some mythological image. This painting having some mythological images. Mythological motifs appear in the works of these times. This also lithograph. Actually, always I have sentimental approach. So I just I had some drawings from my villages. Then I made lithograph. I converted this to lithograph. So lithograph. Kargil War took place when I was studying in Shantiniketan. Also, Ulfa attack on civilians in Assam. The Babri Masjid was attacked. Live assassination of Saddam Hussein. Adil Bihari Vajpayee become the Prime Minister. Bin Laden attacked the World Trade Center. These incidents may have occurred in my work at that time. This picture, this lithograph only, the lover title of this work, lover. The conditions of the victims crossed my mind. So the image of the victims may come to my work. Next. The devaluation of the world began to irritate my mind. So my reaction was that the mocking image may come to my work. In addition, Indian symbols are used as motifs. I try to bring a personal symbolism to all these images in my picture space. So you can see the main male figure. One triangle is there. It represents female. So I never to use some more female figure. Without female figure, I use this symbol. See, female figure is Indian symbolism. Female symbol is like this, and the male figure, the other one, the sky symbol is like parabola. These symbols I use my works.
Also the male figure looks like Buddha's.
Yeah.
Statue.
I inspired some Indian motifs also at that time. Even with mythological image also. Some work have some mythological image also here.
There are two questions. One question is which year these works are? Year of.
Around 2000, 2002.
Okay. Then that was from Prajakta. And Shanti is asking, did you like Chagal, right?
Chagal,
That
Chagal.
time, at that time, I was followed Chagall.
Legachi's voice is not clear, but I think it's a bit of a vibration, but we can't do much about it now, right?
Birth of Prem. Title of this picture.
Is it lithograph or serigraph?
Yes, this is the lithograph.
Okay.
I used only lithograph in Chandni Gatti.
Okay. Look like serigraph also. From that. Hmm.
Here also I used some Indian symbolism. This lithograph I got IFEX award. Title is Submerged Pot.
You received it in Thrissur, no? That award?
Yes, yes.
I was there.
Okay. I didn't know of that time.
Yeah. You, Sakir Hussain, and then there is Rajendran Pullur, 3 or 4. Yeah,
Absolutely.
4. Yeah, 3 or 4 people got it. Yeah.
Till you are remembering, no?
I had that invitation or something. That there was an invitation sort of a thing,
Okay.
like
Okay,
brochure.
Okay.
Brochure. Yeah. I still have that.
Thank you. This is lithograph and golden dust.
How many editions you take usually?
Actually, I took edition 6 prints. Each
6.
Yes, each print, each work,
Okay.
6 print. Because the election announcement is there.
Anwar, no? Anwar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did 300 work in Shantinikan within 2 years. 300 into 6.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, lithograph. Lithograph.
Oh, laborious.
Whole
Full
night
time.
we used to. Maximum I used that studio.
Okay.
Mm.
So you,
Sagaton. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead, Sujit.
no. So you have to grind the stone first, and all this process you'll do it in a.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Night
task.
time full grain. Mean, full grain. Once one day I got some injury also from that studio.
Oh.
I fall down with that stone.
Oh. Stone. Okay.
Yeah, with that big stone.
Mhm.
Yeah, the little stone.
Yeah. It's very heavy, right?
Yeah.
So, Sagaton, Shanti is asking like this work and the previous work, can you throw some light? He's saying that women with the discs, they look like many moons. But this work, I think, is what she meant, is many moons, I thought. Can you throw some light? This work.
This work actually, when I travel from Shantiniketan to Kerala, at that time I already mentioned that Kargil war started. I met a civilian. He was actually his marriage happened. I mean 2 months before. Then he got warrant from the military. Uh, at that time, she was very enjoying into the train. I just went to for a toilet. At that moment, that militarian was crying. Then I told to him what happened. Then he told me, I got warrant. I didn't inform to my wife. Our marriage happened only within 2 months before. How can I tell to her? Then I thought that was the reason for this painting, this work.
Mhm.
So Prajakta is asking, like when you take print, like do you experiment in each print, or is it like one thing not touching it?
Pardon?
Prajakta is asking, like when you take print, each time do you make some changes, or is it like once you make finalize it, you don't touch it? Is it like
Print is not, we should not make changes. We can't. Otherwise, we should do the unique print. This is lithograph prints series now. In international quality, we should at least do the same images, same print. At least 5 editions should do. So we can't change the images or any other changes. So difficult to change also in graphic media. Tushing on the stone. Tushing. I use this tushing.
Did anyone tell you that this person looks like Bashir?
Also Picasso.
Yeah.
Ah. But I inspired from the Egon Schiele. Egon Schiele.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Same work I experimented to convert the negative images. Here I use some Buddha images. Images, not images, Buddha sculpture I use.
Uh-huh. Hmm.
This series of works are used to call living through insecurity.
Here,
Year 2002, when I was in Shanti after Kalabavan, I didn't, except camps, I didn't do any printmaking, graphic art. Okay. I came to Bangalore from Shantiniketan and joined a school to teach. During those times, I did two series of work at a time. One is the ink drawing series, and another one is accidentally on purpose. The accidentally on purpose showcased in Kashi Gallery in the year of 2008. I could not go out of that school and draw views of the surroundings. This made me very upset. I have to keep doing my artwork. During this time, I started collecting pictures from magazines, news pictures, and advertisements. Uh, advertisements. Such images were collected with the intention of making collage. As like a preparation, images were not pasted for the collage. This kind of collage work did not satisfy me. So I adopted a way that is the collected images were composed as collage. I drew these compositions in another space with ink and pen. I was not trying to make a proper copy of the photos. These works are done based on collage. Yes. This series of works is the result of such experience and experimentation. In my work, having visual experience might convey with viewers. My artworks are not like graffiti based on a particular subject. I try to bring sound and silence into my paintings. Next. Contemporary
Sorry.
yes. Yes, please.
These are ink on paper.
Yes. This drawing series, I'm showing this drawing
Okay.
series only.
Okay.
I mean, so contemporary episodes and news images here, their associations and encounters pop up a variety of discourses that mold the artist's perspectives in me. More often than not, these associations elevate the atmosphere of my painting towards a metaphysical trajectory rather than straitjacket documentation. Next slide, we can see the close-up.
So how do you start this sort of composition? So where the image start, like from the beginning, from the bottom to up, or like you just paint here and there? How do you make?
Actually, this preparation actually I got from the Shantiniketan, because when I do the graphic art, no, we should do the pre-planning. So I think maybe that process will be happen here. So I just started the collage, like collage technique.
Oh.
I mean, all newspaper prints and advertisement photographs, everything I just arranged it on a paper. Then, then that composition may going to the convert to the ink on paper.
Okay.
Understand what I am trying to say?
Yes.
Here I use some tea water also. Somebody told me this is not done by watercolor. Use that watercolor.
Yeah. Meticulous. That detail you painted as later.
Yes.
Yeah.
In brochure.
Invitation, yeah. ചോദ്യമുണ്ട്, ടൈറ്റിൽ ഉണ്ടോ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്.
Title.
Yes.
Actually,
somebody is asking.
Here, this is the one of the series called Pax series. Pax is Peaceful Kiss.
Oh.
Peaceful
Pa-
kiss.
Yes, yes. Pax means Latin word. So, uh,
Okay. Projecta is asking which are the references, local magazines or newspapers.
yes, yes, yes. I already told no. Reference from the magazines and soft porn magazine also I use.
Hmm.
Next series like that. I'll tell you. I'll let you know. I don't have any narrations. That is why I was be quite.
That's good.
I already told through that painting. That is why I was be quiet.
This was part of some show or something. This all.
No. This
No.
drawing is still with me. I didn't show it anyone.
Oh.
This series were at least around 40, more than 40.
Oh.
So what are the references for the earlier prints? This projecta is asking.
Sorry.
The prints which you showed earlier, what are the
Okay.
references for them? She said.
From my drawing surroundings. I used to make drawing from my surroundings. Then my drawing to convert to my painting. Marriage function. Here I use some elements from the miniature painting decoration. Decorative motifs is there. So I use some decorative motifs reference from miniature, Madhubani and Kerala murals.
But no gold ornaments.
It's not marriage function, reception.
What are the influences in that time? Like as an artist, the other artists, like I could find something like a James Sensor or like Emily Nold and all. So do you have some reference of some other artist work?
No, actually, I'm not take reference from any other master
Hmm.
type of masters.
Mhm.
I just taking from some reference from the daily, newspaper and the magazine, old photographs. Then I
Okay.
compose.
Okay.
Then I compose on the page. Then
Mhm.
it's happening. I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
The feelings only. I try to
Ah.
make the feelings.
Mhm.
The background portion is reference taken from the Madhubani painting.
Yeah. Okay.
Madhubani painting, they have some symbolism, they have some philosophy, but
Mhm.
I don't care about that.
Okay.
I yeah. Yes, this is at a time I already told you. No, at a time two series I have done. This is the
Mhm.
accidentally on purpose that series which I showed in Kashi Gallery.
Okay.
Acrylic on canvas. My images are not self-justifying. My art seeks
Mhm.
its transition from concrete objects towards an abstract plane. In this process, the wire turns out to be a significant mediator of my painting. Next. Acrylic on canvas.
Title?
The series of the work coming accidentally on purpose. But I use the title only sound. Muhu, muhu, shoo, shoo, like that. Its title Muhu Muhu. Sound only. This work's title also The artist's personality in me is being shaped and developed largely by my miserable childhood experiences. I have been doing art under the firm belief that whatever I see, hear, and feel is also of mine, constituting my very self and spirit. Perhaps this is the reason why quite a few images of self-expression figure in my painting. My choice of the medium is determined by a realization of its potential to bring in multiple motifs in my work. The choice of different medium such as oil color, acrylic, ink, printmaking, etc. is based on this understanding. I also experiment with my medium depending on the environment of the work and at hand.
So Ashwagandha,
Yes.
so in this series and all, like it's very loud, right? You told the title itself is an audio, but the pictures are very loud, and it's not a very calm feeling. And when you take references also, all the people are in action, like not much people who are sitting in solitude or crying, that kind of feeling or a subtlety. You are purposefully avoiding such stuff, like in the thick of the action, so and very loud. Is it purposeful?
No. I always believe spontaneity. So it comes in spontaneously. I don't know how it comes.
No. So Prajakta
Actually,
is, yeah.
yes, yes. Tell
Prajakta
me.
is asking about the. Can you talk about the composition of your work?
Same way, I took reference from the Softbound magazine, uh, mean photographs. Then sometimes I use some outdoor drawing also. Then I compose like a collage. I always concentrating color, feeling of the colors. The different character and the atmosphere of many images I compose of their energy to this customized technique. Clear it? These images could then get translated into a visual idiom that could be paraphrased by pun and a subversion of hierarchy. Yes. First, I showed the drawing. No, I convert to the painting. This series,
Oh.
the pack series. No,
Yeah.
the viewer might not be able to read and realize this inversion strategy at first sight. In fact, these distortions constitute the politics and the philosophy of my composition. The perpetual dialogue between my paintings and the viewer is punctuated by the political overtones of my work. Besides the vain promises and the deformed images they foreground.
So these are in what is the medium of this? Like last
Oil on canvas.
the early one also. The
Yeah,
figures
no, acrylic. It is also oil on canvas.
oil.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Size is 5x4 feet.
Okay.
Can see the familiar figures also is there.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Film stars, but I don't care about that film stars. Their character and like that. I want the images only, motifs only. So
Mhm.
here some Pareni images and some political images also is there.
Indira Gandhi.
Yeah, Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi,
Ah,
Narsimha Rao,
yeah,
Vajpayee,
yeah.
but not identity. I'm not trying to make identified.
Mm.
Victims of the farmers pictures also. I'm taking.
Mhm.
I took some reference from the magazine now. My composition is like abstract plane, abstract uh, visions.
So, Ashagatan,
Yes.
Shinod is asking, are you inspired by Yu Minchun?
Hmm?
Yu Minchun, are you inspired? Or am I pronouncing it right?
Yeah.
You Minjimin.
Yeah, the Chinese artist, no, the Chinese artist, Yu Min Chung.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's asking that.
Asking, are you inspired by him?
No. But I know him, his work. But I never to try to inspire to him.
Very interesting work.
This painting title is Easing Self. Moiri Nivedita.
Mhm.
With the benefit of sight, I deem it more of a psychological process than aesthetic.
Mhm.
Oil on canvas. Next. This painting, I try to do this work to resemble with Guernica.
Mhm.
This painting, the acrylic on canvas. When I showed this painting at DH Kochi, some artists also told me who is Vishnod told that question. I inspired from the interview.
Ah.
And this painting has some, I inspired from the Raja Ravivarma.
Mhm.
Yes, Adachan Virmu. That painting I inspired.
There Papa comes.
Yes, their purpose. Red on the bushes.
Mhm.
Here I use the plants. I mean, this എന്താ പറയാ വംശനാശം സംഭവിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പ്ലാന്റ്സിന് എങ്ങനെ പറയാ
Endangered species of flora. Endangered species.
Yes, yes. That particular plants only I used for this painting. I took reference from that these bushes and plants. Not this, another one. Next one.
Plants which are getting extincted or endangered species.
Yes. ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ കാണുന്നത് ഈ എന്താ പറയാ ഈ സ്റ്റോണിനൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ചെടിയാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റോണൊക്കെ പോകത്തില്ലേ ഈ എന്താ അത് പറയാ നമ്മള് കിഡ്നി സ്റ്റോണൊക്കെ പോകുന്നു
Ah. Ah.
Kallurvanchi.
Kallu.
Kallurvanchi.
These are medicinal plants which are getting extincted, used for kidney stone and all. So he picked up specific species of flora and fauna which are getting extinct. So this building is
Well,
not is also in that category, getting extincted architecture.
Yes.
hmm.
We can't see in nowadays now this type of building. To put it in a nutshell, my attempt is to paraphrase reality through another lens. For me, art is a continuous, spontaneous, and involuntary rebuilding and revaluation of this lens. My immediate environment, both local and global, finds its resonance and reverberations in my work. The motifs are deliberately concealed in their thematic projections, and the artist in me, they saw them up in all its beauty or ugliness. The spectrum of social ambience, flora and fauna, local philosophy, rustic wisdom, cuisine, social criticism, bordering on a strident sarcasm exercise a role in mapping my art. Profound anxieties and deep sighs, all these determine the trajectory of my work. This painting done by for Kerala Lalitala Academy for a camp.
Hmm. Nice.
Actually, this painting done for a Kaya Corporation. I mean, Yan Museum, for Yan Museum. This painting is on the history of the Kaya labels. Ancient square labels, not
Hmm. Yeah. Really like the treatment.
Thank you. I hope you all have enjoyed my work. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Now, question answer session. So, Ashwatan, have you noticed one thing from the beginning to now? There is a kind of an evolution, which is your early works, especially paintings. The images look like very plastic and very dry, and even in the medium you choose, mostly acrylic, and then you move to little more organic in terms of visual and in terms of the medium also. How you looking at this sort of a progress or this sort of a evolution? How do you see this?
My process is wherever I live, I observe the surrounding.
Yeah, that's what I want to ask that. Like you moved from that to a beautiful place, like now you are in Nilambu.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, so that's why I asked this question specifically.
I was in Bangalore, near to Bangalore. I mean, not Bangalore, near to Bangalore. Hosur itself. There is dry place only, industrial area.
No.
So I mean, I was working with school. No, I was very frustrated for that. Mean school also. So it happened like that. Mean at that time experience, right? So maybe it happened like that. Spontaneously came.
Okay. Yeah, it's getting more organic now. Like the last work which you showed,
Yes.
I could find some, the treatment of the skin of the people, and then the fire, it's somehow which is synchronizing, which is somehow connecting or complementing each other. So which I found quite interesting. There is no such. You're not taking any what do you call that? Taking any pedestal to say something. You are making them as a. We all part of it or something like which I found quite interesting.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Actually, very fun. I used to make very beautiful work, but the result is come like this. I remember that Matthew, the son, he always used to make very beautiful work now. But it's coming like that now. Once I went through his history, you know about that now.
Yeah.
The son of Matthew, I don't know. I forgot that.
Even Bacon, Francis Bacon.
Yeah, Francis.
Bacon, yeah. People call him ugly painter or whatever. Like even in this his prime minister once addressed, that ugly painter or something like about his painting.
So many people told me, why you are making like these images? You could have make beautiful figures like that. Then I answered to them. I said to them, I am making beautiful things only, but you are seeing ugliness. Well, how can I?
That's true. Yeah. But yeah, true. I think somebody's. So how long you take mostly a normal circle of a painting? How long it takes? Because it's a lot of figures, a lot of things now. So
I am a slow process man. I'll take 2 months, 3 months. It's
Oh,
not,
really?
yeah.
You.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Nowadays I got a little more fast. Mm,
Mhm.
Within 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Nowadays I'm taking. Before that, I took so much days to do one painting.
Okay.
Always uh, I'll do some painting, then it will keep on 1, 2, 3 months. Then I'll paint overlap that painting. I
Oh.
never took any other canvas
Mhm.
to
Yeah.
develop that.
Yeah. Sometimes, to keep an idea for such a long span is also difficult. No? Like
Yeah,
for one idea as a sculptor, they have to do that. For maybe 6 months, one idea, they have to
yeah,
work on it.
yeah,
But certain people can't do that. They have to. They keep coming now. Many other things. So, yeah. So it reflects.
yeah.
Yeah, but usually it takes 3-4 months for
After
you.
4 months. Oh, yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, so that's
Okay, any other questions? Anybody?
Ashwakan, do you make people sit and do you draw from, do you paint from live? I mean, by making people sit for you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I used to do that like that.
Okay, because
Uh,
your figures, I don't know, the skin and the form is very striking to me, like very
okay,
strong and very
okay, okay.
affecting. So I wondered if, though you said you referred, magazines and all that, but they seem to be evolving.
I told about that particular drawing series. Actually, I like to paint with model only, or even outdoor painting, plein air drawing only. I like very much. Then I took that plein air drawing for reference, then convert to paint. Sometimes I do like this. Sometimes I use to more even figure painting also. I used to do the modeling, model paint. I mean reference from the model.
Okay, okay.
Even light also I used to make light source also. I mean the model arrangements time also I used to make so much restrictions, lights, everything I used to watch everything. Then I paint.
Okay, okay, yeah. Some of those paintings with the rubber plant outside, it's a rubber plant, right? Is it with the,
yeah. So
yeah. It's like the characters, I felt a little like we are peeping in on them. At the same time, the door or the balcony door is open and you can see the rubber plant outside.
yeah.
Yeah. Any comment,
I
Ashok?
think it,
Actually, I didn't understand which you're trying to say.
You had
I'll
that.
up,
One minute.
Okay, Sujit, you want to say?
yeah. Can I explain Malayalam? Then it's a little more easy for him. Like maybe. Or repeat, please. Can you please repeat? Yeah, that's better. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe you can explain. I mean, they were those paintings which had one or two characters, like a woman, a man, a mosaic floor, a little bit of the bed or the furniture. So I felt little bit sometimes that like we are looking at them in a private time moment, but at the same time behind them seems to be a balcony door open or a window open and you can see the outside or the rubber plant. uh, yeah, it was well, it's just an observation actually.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah. It's interesting. കിട്ടിയോ ചേട്ടൻ
ഇല്ല
Got
അത്
it, right? Mm.
അതില് അതില് ഞാൻ എന്താ പറയാന്ന് എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
അല്ല അവർ ചോദിച്ചാൽ മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ നമ്മള് കേട്ടില്ലേ
മനസ്സിലായി
നേരെ കേട്ടു
മനസ്സിലായി. I understand that. I don't have any philosophy for that. It's mean very personally doing that kind of images. At that time, we can see the nature also now. We have some, we are in part of the nature now. So the buildings also part of the nature. Bedroom also part of the nature. So I use like that only. Clear? My answer?
Yeah, that is fine. Ashokan, do you also make an appearance in your painting? One recognize. Ella Alkara.
ഇത് ലേഖ നാരായണല്ലേ?
Yeah. Ella, I think you also make an appearance in your paintings, right? Some paintings.
Yeah.
So Ashokatan, Prajakta has a question. She is asking, like, you have used so many mediums like print and painted in oil, acrylic, many mediums. So how do you compare all these in terms of the advantages, pros and cons, advantage, disadvantage?
Actually, I comfortable for my painting. Mean I choose. Mean I can't come my words. Sometimes I use that ink and paint. It depends upon the images and motifs. Then only I choose the medium.
So Dan, Shinod, do you want to ask something? Unmute.
Yeah, he's asking me.
Voice is not, audio is not.
Audio-
Shinod.
Audio
Yeah, now
show-
okay.
audio-
Now okay,
yeah,
now
audio-
okay. Okay.
Okay, no. One second. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Ashok Kumar. How are you?
Yes, I'm very fine. What about you?
Okay. Yeah,
Calcutta.
fine. Actually,
Yeah.
ഉണ്ട് നാട്ടിലുണ്ട്.
Okay.
Actually, I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
I am following your works and all that.
Thank you.
There is in your you audible?
Yes.
കേൾക്കാമോ?
Yeah.
Okay, in your almost all work, there is a lot of distraction.
Okay.
That is your directly you doing that, or you're consciously or you're unconsciously you doing that?
No, I am not concentrating
Distractions
for that.
about pain.
I'm not. No. I'm not doing any consciously. It's happening. I always try to do the very bubbly and realistic approach, but it is coming. When I start that painting, I decided to make very realistic approach, like photography type. But when I do this, then I will catch that. Then it is happening like this.
Okay.
I'm not-
Somewhere in completely here and all that there is.
I'm not doing any purposefully distortion.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay. So with that, I think we can wind up. So an important announcement or information is, so this is our 49th episode. So with the next episode, we will have a break. So the next one, that is the 50th episode of Neat Talks, will mark the end of the season 1 of Neat Talks, and we will have a gap. We will take a break, and after some time we will be back, maybe in a different format, or maybe in the same pattern. We will see that. We also want to introspect expect and see how did it go. So if any of you have any feedbacks, you can pass it on either through our NetTalks WhatsApp group or Facebook page or anything. So we will see you all next week also, Saturday, 5 o'clock. Same like this, same ID. But then after that, we will continue this after taking a pause. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for all your support. And thank you, Ashwagatan, for this beautiful
Thank you.
presentation. Yeah, and all those people who watched here and in Facebook. Sujit, you want to add anything?
No, thank you. Thank you all. Even I
Thank you,
haven't
thank
thought like when we started, like it's not. I thought it is going to end in 10 or 15, but it's become something now like 50 episode. Even I can't believe that. Like so, I'm so happy that to part of it, and also I'm really thankful to all who all have participate and all have presented and like yeah. So thank you all for
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
thank you.
Sujit,
Thank you.
Krish,
Thank you.
Sadhguru, Viraj. Thank you.
Yeah.
So we'll see next week, next Saturday also. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Madhu.
Sure. Bye bye, Sarisi. Bye bye. Bye bye, Ashwatan. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you all. Thank you.